Hi there, this is Jamie from Reason Funding. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to provide you with some tips, tricks, and some basic overview of our visual website editor. I'm starting off here at the home page on the back end of our website. It's in the admin. And to access the visual editor, I'm going to look for Edit Website and click on it. And it's going to open up the visual editor. Now, when it loads, it's always going to load on the home page. I'm going to start off by going over the the elements up here at the top. So we have the undo button and a redo button. And then we've got the different views. So you can toggle the view of the visual editor so you can see how that page looks in mobile view, tablet view, and desktop view. Over here on the right side of the editor, we've got the refresh button. So it'll refresh the page that you're working on. We've got the save button, which is my best friend when I'm working on a web page. I always make sure that after every single edit, I hit the save button so I don't lose any work. And then we've got the publish button. So anytime that you're working on a website and you're hitting save and you're making edits, as long as you're hitting the save, it's in draft mode. So it hasn't been published out to the live website yet. After you get your web page how you like it, you can then publish it and it's no longer in draft mode, it's actually live. There's a preview button and then there's a view website. So this would allow you to view the live website after you have published it. Over here on the left side, we've got the link that takes you back to the admin dashboard. We've got the page toggle. So if you want to load up a new page, say for instance you want to work on your about page, you can click your about page and it'll open up in the visual editor. Underneath that we have design, and so these are all the design blocks that you have that you can work with. So these can range from headers and footers to image blocks to video blocks, and finally down to just simple things like dividers. Underneath the design elements, we have widgets, and this is where you can add sliders to the page, testimonials, and galleries. And finally, when you're working on a page, there's also SEO tools, which I love because you can actually add in all your keywords and your page title and your description, just the kind of elements that will help your marketing and help your page get found. Down here we have the settings, and so if you need to add new users to the system, your site settings, your publishing options, and any type of advanced settings such as version control. So if you do make an error or have an issue in the visual editor, you don't need to worry so much about messing anything up entirely where it can't be fixed. We do have version control, so we can take it back to the last good save that you have or last good published page. So you don't have to freak out if the page looks broken. We could always get it back to the way it used to look. So that's the tips and tricks and what to do in the visual editor. In some other series of videos, we'll go over working with headers and footers and paragraph blocks in greater detail. So this is Jamie from Reason Funding, and this is tips, tricks, and a basic overview of the visual website editor.